What's up everybody, this is Derek here and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Ring Chime again. This is actually my second Ring Chime, so you can see here how we have, we're in the Ring app on my iPhone right now, and I'm going to show you how to set up a second or third or fourth Ring Chime in case you want multiple ones in your home to alert you when your Ring video doorbell is activated. So as you can see here, we have the front door. This is the video doorbell 2, and here is upstairs. So what we want to do today is we want to add downstairs. So this is going to be the chime that goes downstairs and alerts me if somebody, if either motion is detected outside the door or if somebody pushes the doorbell. So we're going to go here and we're going to go to set up device. And then I already did an unboxing, so if you want to watch an unboxing and initial impressions video on the Ring Chime, you can do that on my channel. I'll link it below. And it's pretty simple, so we will just pop this guy out. And you can see here we have a power cord here. It's a newer one. Last time I used the sketchiest thing ever, so this time we are not going to do that. This time we're going to use something that is actually grounded. So we're going to go ahead and we want to set up a chime. We want to set up another chime, so we're going to go chime. This is again the Chime. The Chime Pro also has the Wi-Fi extender. I don't need that, but if you have a bad signal outside where your cameras are, either your video doorbell or if you have one of the Ring security cameras, you might want to look into that, because all it does is it's a bridge. So it's a wireless bridge that extends the signal from your Wi-Fi router to the device. So it acts as an intermediary where, you know, if you have your router in the front of the house or if you have it in the basement and you can't get a good signal there, you're experiencing latency issues, that is one way that you can resolve it. But today we're going to be just setting up a chime, and we're going to go here. It says plug the chime into a standard wall outlet. Here we go. And there is a status indicator here. It's pretty dim. There was an update to dim it, so it's pretty hard to see with the video light, but I'll see if it can show up. Otherwise, you'll just have to trust me because it's pretty self-explanatory. So we have that. You can see it's actually starting to blink, and we're going to go continue. And I'm just going to take this off screen because. Oh, nope, not yet, because it's going to ask me for my Wi-Fi password, I believe. So we're going to call this one downstairs because we want to do that. So I just have to confirm my location. So right now I'm going to do that. So it actually asks you for your address, and I believe this is part of the neighborhood feature. So if you wanted to share your data with other people in your neighborhood who also have Ring products, that's how you could do that. So I'm going to click continue. And then it says, tap continue once the Ring logo begins to pulse slowly. So you can see how it's pulsing slowly. It's pulsing at the same rate as it is in the app. So we're going to click continue. And now we have to navigate to the Wi-Fi settings on our phone and select the Chime network. So it's going to be Chime, and it's going to have some identifier after it. It's basically just a bunch of characters. So mine is called Chime D9, and it just goes on. So we'll select that. And it's an unsecure network with no password, so it connects right to it. And right now it is connected. So it says connection successful. And then once it says connection successful, then it asks which network should you connect to. So now I'm going to select my Wi-Fi network and enter the password. It says my chime is connecting, and that's what it's doing right now. You can see it's pulsing faster. And now it says congratulations, setup is complete. So it has set up, and now you can see the Ring chime is, let's see, it's steady, and then there's just a short flash. So now it's going to ask you if which device you want to link. So if you have multiple devices, either multiple doorbells or the security cameras, you can select them here. And I want to get Ring alerts and motion alerts for the chime, just like the other one. And then I'll go ahead and click done. And then now it says downstairs is offline. And that's normal. That's just because it's actually upgrading the firmware on it. So that's what it's doing right now. You can see it's pulsing very quickly. and that's not you don't have to worry about it really. You just wait and it will be updating. So you can see, let's see here. So right now you can see it says offline and then unknown, and that's because it's rebooting after it updates its firmware. So that's what it's doing right now, and once it goes solid like it did, I believe it has rebooted. It now has connected, and let's test it out. So what we'll do is we'll just go here and we'll go to the chime tones, and then that's the first option on the app when you're in the configuration for your Ring Chime, and we'll test it and see if we can hear it. Okay. And there we go. So you can set up your tone for motion and your tone for if somebody pushes the doorbell. You can see here now it says downstairs, and we'll just go back. Just take a look here, and now you can see we have, just like that, you can see that we have the front door, upstairs, and downstairs. So now we have 2 chimes set up. And that way, if I'm downstairs, I can hear if there's motion or if someone rings the doorbell, just like I could if I'm upstairs. And the advantage to this is that it acts as a traditional doorbell. So if you don't have your phone on you, or you're not able to answer your phone, say you're on another call or something, you'll still know that someone's outside the door. So thanks for watching this short video on how to add another Ring Chime to an existing network. And if you enjoy this sort of content, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and I hope to see you guys in a future video soon.